If you need to change anything in business, it's often done with a project. So why isn't there one easy way of running a project? We'll find out in just a moment. Welcome to this express introduction to projects. Quick story. Once I was responsible for a project in a large global company to try and harmonize project methodologies. Starting with research, I found 22 different discrete methods for running a project. What was more concerning was that 60% of projects were being run without any kind of approach at all. So, what is a project? What are the benefits of a project approach, and how do you become a project manager, and what are the best components of good projects? Well, stick around for a few minutes and I'll reveal all. A project is a time-bound piece of work to achieve a specific goal. 2 points to note. 1, time-bound, which means it should have an end date. 2, a specific goal, which means the required result should be clear from the outset. The benefits of applying a good project approach is that it accelerates the delivery rate. It also increases the likelihood of success and improves the benefits towards the goal. To become a project manager, we could spend a couple of days on this alone. Today, there are many careers available as a project manager, and you can build a really strong career path around these set of skills. And this is now supported by many different certifications, such as the Project Management Institute. I'll leave a link in the description. So, to the point of the best components of a good project. Well, I was lucky enough to be able to analyze thousands of projects to assess the components that make a really good project. Well, there's only surprisingly few that do. First, sponsorship. A committed executive that makes it happen. Second, project definition. A document with a business case so that it's clear what the goal is. Third, a phased approach. A few set milestones along the way. Fourth, project tracking. Measuring and reporting progress keeps the project on track. I've covered many elements on sponsorship, project charters, project tracking in previous videos. I'll leave the description in the link below. So let's take a look at project phases. There are many types of projects: construction, product development, strategy, software development, etc., etc. Some have more or less phases. However, there are some common phases throughout all of them, even if they might have different names. So I'll keep things simple, and here are 4 key phases that you can apply right away after this video. 1, definition or scope. 2, design and develop. 3, build or implement. And 4, review or close. And I'll do a quick run through of the goal of each phase. 1, definition or scope. This is where the goal is specified, benefits are targeted, boundaries of the scope are determined, resources and a time plan are outlined. Phase 2, design or develop, where research analysis is conducted, requirements gathered, solutions and products are designed. Phase 3, build or implement, where procurement, prototyping is carried out, then the physical build or implementation of the solution is completed. Phase 4, review or close. This is the last phase where you launch, commission, and handover takes place. The benefits are reviewed and assessed, and then the project is formally closed. This is the basic minimum for a really good project approach, and there are many different approaches such as waterfall, agile, Prince2, and many more. Put some links in the description below. So in summary, project management and the approaches is an entire career path in itself. And I'm only able to touch on a few key parts of projects in this introduction. However, if you are new to projects, you can already use this information straight away. Sponsorship is king. Define a clear goal and benefits. Use a phased approach, such as define, develop, implement and review, and track the progress of your project. You will already be far more successful by simply applying these best practices. And that was an express introduction into projects. Thank you very much for watching.